White flowers are blooming, telling me it is springtime. This little small tree I have over here, but the neighbors has a big tree over here. I forgot what you call these trees, but they bloom beautiful every year. The lady of this house planted these trees years ago before I moved here, and I've been here about 25 years. She got this big one. She got that big one. I got a pink one back there, but it fell down, but it still blooms. But I guess it's not in bloom yet. Anyway, beautiful white tree. Sign of spring is here.